welcome back to the Auto Traction channel. You can see daily videos only on Auto Traction channel. Today, we dive into a futuristic powerhouse from Russian aerospace imagination, the F-41 MiG, a next-generation air dominance fighter designed to surpass the limits of modern warfare. With a stealth-infused frame, hypersonic capability, and AI-assisted combat systems, the F-41 MiG marks a conceptual leap far beyond the traditional MiG lineage. Inspired by the agility of the MiG-29 and the advanced systems of the MiG-35, the F-41 is envisioned as Russia's answer to Western 5th and 6th generation fighters, designed for unmatched maneuverability and battlefield versatility. The F-41 features twin vector thrust engines, capable of supercruise at Mach 2.5 and bursts beyond Mach 3. Built with composite radar-absorbing materials and edge-aligned surfaces, the F-41 minimizes radar cross-section while preserving aerodynamic performance. Its airframe balances stealth and speed capable of low-level penetration or high-altitude interception with equal confidence inside. The cockpit is fully glass AI integrated and equipped with a panoramic touchscreen HUD. Pilots can access real-time satellite data, control autonomous drones mid-flight, and engage enemies with just eye movement through an advanced helmet-mounted system. The jet's internal systems are designed to anticipate threats and suggest tactics mid-engagement, making man-machine interaction more intelligent than ever. When it comes to armament, the F-41 MiG is armed with a modular internal weapons bay, carrying everything from long-range air-to-air missiles and anti-radiation weapons to precision strike munitions and hypersonic cruise missiles. For close combat, a new generation 30mm cannon sits integrated into the airframe, built for low visibility and high impact. Its integrated ECM and directed energy defense systems offer protection against modern threats, including drones, radar locks, and incoming missiles. On a tactical level, the F-41 can act as a command aircraft, feeding data across squadrons and controlling multiple UAVs. Its role is not just as a frontline fighter, but as a digital node in a wider battle network. The F-41 isn't just imagined to win dogfights, it's imagined to shape the digital battlespace. In an era where speed, stealth, and smart systems rule the skies, the F-41 MiG is the embodiment of future air combat strategy. Thanks for watching the Auto Traction channel. For more next-gen aircraft reviews, stay tuned daily right here.